Hello children, how are you today? I hope you are doing fine. Children, I am going to tell you a wonderful story. It's much too early. In this story, we have 5 characters. Father, Mother, Malik, Jamal and a cat. Jamal is the boy whose birthday is there. So we are going to listen to the story about his birthday surprise. So let us listen to it very nicely. So let us get started. It was Jamal's birthday. He tried to go to sleep, but he wanted to open his birthday presents. At 5 o'clock, he got out of bed and looked at the presents. "Hooray!" said Jamal. "It's a scooter." He went into Mum and Dad's room. "Wake up, Mum!" shouted Jamal. "Wake up, Dad! Look at what I have got." And Dad said, "What time is it?" rubbing his eyes. "Go back to bed, Jamal. It's much too early." Jamal went back to bed. He tried to go to sleep, but he wanted to ride his new scooter. At 6 o'clock, he went into Malik's room, his brother. "Wake up, Malik," said Jamal. "Look at my new scooter." "What time is it?" said Malik. "Go back to bed, Jamal. It's much too early." Jamal went back to bed. He tried to go to sleep, but he wanted to ride his new scooter. He took his new scooter downstairs. "Look out," he said to the cat. "Here I come." The cat jumped onto the table. Oh no! The cup was broken. Mum came downstairs and saw the broken cup. Jamal was upset. "I wanted to ride my new scooter," he said. Mum gave him a hug. "But it's too much early, baby," she said. "It's only 7 o'clock." They both went back to bed. At 8 o'clock, it was time to get up. "Where is Jamal?" said Malik. "It's time for him to get up and open his presents." Mom, Dad, and Malik went into Jamal's room. "Happy birthday, Jamal," they said. "Come and show us your new scooter." "I want to sleep," said Jamal. "It's much too early." "It's much too early."